Question number 20. ABCD is a quadrilateral. PQRS are the point of trisection of side AB, BC, CD and DA respectively and are adjacent to A and C. Prove that PQRS is a parallelogram. Let it is ABCD, a quadrilateral, and PQRS are the point of trisection of AB, BC, CD and DA and adjacent to A and C means जो पॉइंट्स होंगे वो A और C के पास में होंगे. मीन्स दिस इज पॉइंट P, it is point Q, it is point R and the third one is S. These are points nearest to the point A and C. We have to show that the quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. We have to show that this is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. Given that ABCD is a quadrilateral, P, Q, R and S are the points of trisection of sides AB, BC, CD and DA and nearest to E and C. To prove PQRS is a parallelogram. Is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. Proof. Since if it is a line AF and it is line AF and these 2 points M and N are the point of trisection of AF, then if we have to consider N is the point of trisection and M is the point of trisection, we can write these lines. Trisection means all parts are equal, it is X and X. Then Fn is 2X, Fn is equal 2x, x plus x, and it is can be written as the value of x is an, then Fn is equal to 2 into an. Means this portion Fn is twice of this part. Similarly, Am is twice of Fm. Then in this figure, since P is the point of trisection of AB, then BP is twice of AP. P is point of trisection of AB, then this value BP is equal to twice of AP, or we can write BP by AP is equal to 2 by 1. Similarly, Q is also point of trisection of BC. Then CQ twice CQ is equal to BQ. We have PQ by CQ is equal to 2 by 1. DR is twice CR, then DR by CR is 2 by 1. And DS is twice AS, then DS by AS is equal to 2 by 1. Now join AC. Join AC. It is construction portion. You have to write this portion is this time in construction portion. Then in triangle ABC, BP by AP is equal to BQ by CQ, both are 2:1 by equation 1 and 2. Then by converse of basic proportionality theorem BPT, we have PQ parallel to AC. Since if in a triangle a line divides two sides of a triangle in equal ratio, means BP by AP is equal BQ by CQ, then this line must be parallel to third line, means PQ is parallel to AC. PQ is parallel to AC. Similarly, in triangle DCA, we have DR by RC equal DS by SA 2 by 1. Then by converse of BPT, we have SR is parallel to AC. It is equation 5 and it is 6. By 5 and 6, we have PQ is parallel to SR. Similarly, by joining BD, we can prove PS is parallel to QR. Similarly, by joining BD, we can prove PS is parallel to QR. Therefore, opposite sides of quadrilateral PQRS are parallel. PQRS is a parallelogram and hence proved.